is our complete line of social emotional learning dice. These lightweight 12-sided dice are engaging problem-solving tools for any classroom. Our die for calming and focusing features strategies that can help kids either when they're upset, worked up, or you can use them in lessons when they're not emotionally charged to help them have skills for when they are. Some possible skills are read a book, talk to a friend or adult, or pet a real or stuffed animal. The next dice helps children learn strategies for coping with conflict. We have walk away, take some time out, or explain your feelings. The next die helps kids learn strategies for kindness and caring, like using good manners, sending a card or a letter, or smiling at someone. This die helps students develop strategies for when they miss someone. Now, that can be separation anxiety, or it can also be for grieving. There's different strategies children can use, like think about a good memory, do something kind for someone else, or practice positive self-talk. This is hard, but I can do it. The next die helps students recognize their strengths and interests, which will help them develop self-confidence. Here, they can roll the die and find out an answer. Something I'm good at is, my favorite animal or pet is, or I am proud of myself for, and they'll tell you something about them. This helps the teacher learn about the children or helps the children learn about each other as well. This die helps children practice making decisions. Now, decisions can be tough, but this helps practice making decisions in a low-risk environment. So some of these sides give children 2 choices and some give 3. Like put on a puppet show or watch the show. Ice cream or ice pop. Clean up or leave a mess. The dice for missing someone, building confidence, and decision-making skills can be purchased individually or as a set. You can also purchase all of these SEL dice as a set for having great problem-solving tools for any classroom.